Not about the upcoming US elections, and that's not about the market. It's about AI. AI stocks have been extremely successful in 2023 and now in 2024. Let's take, for example, Nvidia has been going up by 259.6% in the last year. Microsoft is up by 58%, Meta by 166%, and so on. These companies prioritize AI. On the other hand, tech companies that ignore AI and haven't prioritized AI over other factors have been the stock price have been dropping or barely grow. Apple recently made a bold move, pausing its electric car project, Titan, and shifting its focus to AI. This shows how crucial AI is for success. With Apple's recent struggles, it's clear that AI matters. Now, I have picked three stocks that I believe will boost your portfolio in 2024. Nvidia is one of the Magnificent Seven, a group of stocks including Microsoft, Apple, Tesla, Meta, and Amazon. Nvidia holds the third place among them. However, yesterday, while most companies saw losses, Apple lost nearly 3%, Tesla almost 8%, and Google 3.05%. Nvidia gained 6%. This makes me wonder whether Nvidia should be called Magnificent One. A common question in investing is whether it's too late now to invest in Nvidia. Is the company's growth reflecting its stock price, or that's pure speculation? Certainly, Nvidia stock price reflects its remarkable growth. In its fourth quarter earnings for 2024, fourth quarter earnings report, Nvidia achieved a milestone. In its fourth quarter earnings report for 2024, Nvidia achieved a milestone with quarterly revenues reaching $22.1 billion, a 22% increase from the previous quarter. Earnings per share (EPS) stood impressively at $5.16, surpassing expectation of $4.64. Revenues also exceeded projections, surpassing the expected $20.62 billion. Analysts are optimistic about continued growth for Nvidia, aiming for around $24 billion revenue in the next quarter. Investors eagerly await Nvidia next earnings report scheduled for May 21st, 2024. Google stock has not doing well in a 6% loss so far. The company tried to make a ChatGPT-alike bot called Google Gemini, but it had big problems. The people were worried about the chatbot being biased, which was embarrassing for Google. Sergey Brin, one of Google's founders, admitted that the chatbot was a mistake. Google stock has not doing Google stock has not been doing well in 2024 with a 6% loss so far. The company tried to make a chatbot alike ChatGPT called Google Gemini, but it had big problems. People were worried about the chatbot being biased, and Google itself admitted that it was an error for them to launch it. Now, some people think that Google is losing the AI battle in competition with Microsoft. But we need to say that although Google technology is not at the same level, Microsoft ChatGPT is at the moment the best AI software in the market. Google might have access to a larger set of data. Think about it. Each of us use a Google product on our daily basis. Gmail, Google Search, Google Maps, you name it. So Google might have access to a larger quantity of data, and if the company could develop something at the same level of Microsoft, definitely this could be a more sophisticated type of AI because of its access to a larger set of data. As people said when AI started, data is everything. Today, Tesla is trading on a loss of 5%, and including yesterday's loss, that's more than 10%. Now, whether you can criticize Tesla will be able to make it up and to come up with growth if you believe in Tesla and you believe in its possibility of, getting back and grow even further, now that's the right moment to buy it with a 10% loss in the last 2 days. Indeed, Tesla history of getting back from joinings, and Tesla has shown many times that it can overcome problems. For example, after a difficult period that started in late 2019, Tesla's stock price started to go up again, showing signs of improvement. Tesla is good dealing with challenges, such as the production issues with the Model 3 sedan. Even during a hard time, Tesla has been able to come back stronger and keep moving forward. The story of Nikola Tesla itself, the inventor that inspired the company, also include overcoming financial difficulties and unfair treatment by his business partners. Currently, Tesla's log started the day at $177.97 and went down by 10.17 points in the last 2 days, as I said earlier. The stock price moved between $177 and $185 through the day.